Top SAT scorers have a secret ritual after every mistake. Most students skip this completely. Now, getting questions wrong doesn't mean you're bad at the SAT. It means you're human. The students who see massive score increases aren't the ones who never make mistakes. They're the ones who learn from every single error. Your mistakes are actually your biggest advantage. Now, one of my students kept missing this specific type of problem, and we found out that it wasn't because he didn't understand the material, it's because he was trying to brute force the exam and try to do it just like he learned it in school. But school is not the same thing as the SAT. He was trying to do it the long way. So what we needed to do with him was we needed to figure out why he was making these mistakes, but most importantly, show him the strategies and the techniques to solve this problem on time. Let me show you how he did it. Now let's take a look at this problem on the board right now that has to deal with constants in a system of equations. You're probably looking at system of equations, you're probably looking at constants, and you're like, what the heck do I even do? A lot of YouTubers or a lot of TikTokers, they'll probably tell you the long way to do it. Now, what's the long way? The long way would be to take both these equations and put them both into standard intercept form and then painstakingly solve for every single one of those constants. You do not have to do that. Number one, all you have to use for this type of problem is Desmos. Here's why. Now, whenever you have a system of equations and they're saying that you have no solution, here's exactly what they mean. If you graph two equations and they have no solutions, that means they will have no intersections. If they have no intersections, that means that they are parallel. They will never touch. So all you need to do is just write it into Desmos, just like how you see it right here on the screen, and literally change nothing about the format. Now you're going to notice that when you put into Desmos, you need to have a slider for K. So for now, we're just going to leave that at 1 and we're just not going to touch it just yet. Now type in the second equation and you should see that both of these graphs look like they touch each other right now. Now remember, all we care about is what does K need to equal to in order for them not to touch, not to intersect. Now all you have to do is plug in these values for K individually, and you're going to see that the only one in which both the graphs do not touch is option B. If you want to master time-saving SAT shortcuts that add 100+ points to your SAT in just 6 weeks, I break down exactly how to do it in one of my YouTube videos. Just comment down below the word shortcuts or on my Instagram or Facebook, and I'll send it to you for free.